Hey, I'm Kevin, a creative director who has worked in this wild world of advertising for over a decade on some super fun brands, from Samsung and Audi to FedEx and JBL. But if you know me, even just a little, you know that the only thing I care more about than making great ad work is helping people like you break into this creative industry of ours. So today, I am genuinely so pumped, so excited to be partnering with Artbound Initiative to bring you the Portfolio-Builder Bootcamp. That's right, my aspiring art director and graphic designer friends, perk those ears. Now you probably know that your portfolio is kind of everything, right? It is your golden ticket. It's your proof that you can do the job. It is your way to break down doors. It's how you prove you can think holistically, create conceptually, and show up super profesh. But as somebody who reviews a lot of portfolios, I will be the first to tell you that they are not always job ready. Now I constantly see skill and potential, but many books still need just a little push. This bootcamp is that push. A course designed to help you create a 360-degree ad campaign from scratch. The kind that elevates your book, gets you noticed, and hopefully helps you land that job. Here's how it works. We dive into the creative process, break down how to develop strategic ideas, get inspired, and build an exciting new spec campaign to boost your portfolio. Should I name this thing Portfolio Boost Camp? You'll be paired with another creative. You'll be handed a real-world brand brief. You'll brainstorm, you'll execute, you'll pitch, and I will be right there with you, providing feedback and guidance to direct you toward your advertising goals. Warning, disclaimer, alert, this isn't a software tutorial. You've got Skillshare for that. This is you, showing up dedicated, ready to get in the trenches, and us building something special together. What's that saying again? You get out what you put in? This is that. If you are willing to roll up those sleeves, I assure you that you will get the following. One super sick advertising campaign ready to make its portfolio debut, a pro-level creative process with a side of strategic thinking skills, presentation and pitching experience, and professional feedback and mentorship throughout the whole shebang. Logistics time. The bootcamp is 4 weeks. We meet virtually each week for an hour and a half. Outside of the Zoom classroom, you'll also work individually and with a partner to brainstorm and execute your project. It'll be structured and focused, but I won't sugarcoat it. It will take work, but it will work. Now, to create the most personalized experience possible, spots are limited. Boot camps are maxed out at 10 creative hopefuls. Maybe you're one of them. Here's what we're looking for out of our participants. First, well, you're a hungry and eager aspiring art director or graphic designer who is ready to put in a little hard work to level up their portfolio. Second, you've got a working knowledge of Adobe Creative Suite, your Photoshop, your Illustrator. You have a little design experience under the good old belt. Last, you have the ability to commit at least 4 to 6 hours a week to brainstorming, partner collabs, and project execution. If you have those 3 boxes checked, we would love to have you. If this sounds like your jam and you're ready to get started, I guess the only thing left to do is register, yeah? Spots are now available. Well, until they're not. Don't miss out. Welcome to the next chapter of your creative journey. I would love to be a part of it. See you at camp.